Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Honor 7X, and now I can show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. Firstly, remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port and water resistant. Okay, I suggest to use a no brush, which I no longer use, and let's start. As you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. Firstly, take the brush in your hand, take the cover off if you have, and insert one part of the brush into the connector, then just pry the dirt out from your device. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!